Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jenny Fine. How you guys doing? It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. I know I'm busy. I'm alive. I'm kind of not interested making videos, what have you, but I'm just gonna keep on pushing. I'm gonna be doing a foundation test. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a wear test, but it's kind of a review, trying out new products. And the product I'll be trying out is the new E.L.F foundation and E.L.F concealer. Yeah, I say new because it's new to me, but it's not actually new in the market. It's been out for a couple of months, and it's not up to last week. I had interest of trying it. I didn't want to try it, but guys, I know E.L.F for a really long time. E.L.F is just as old as Colourpop, maybe even older than the Colourpop. That is a way I can describe E.L.F. I remember when I was starting makeup, E.L.F was one of those company I bought things from the US. Obviously then we don't have much variety of beauty product in the UK, or it's not as diverse as it was in the US. So me buying things from the US, E.L.F cosmetics was one of the things that I did try to go for, which sometimes like brow products, brushes, like affordable brushes. I think I still probably to have like 1 or 2 3 E.L.F products up to today, and this time around I didn't have to shop over to get stuff from the US. Surprisingly, E.L.F is not part of the UK. They have franchise or ship their items to a UK store, which is Superdrug, which we can get this product from because it's actually affordable and it's a drugstore product. I think I'll be talking too much about this E.L.F thing, but yeah, I just want to say, yeah, E.L.F is really one of those products out there that is really affordable, you know. And coming into concealer and into foundation and other things they do have, like primer, you know, powders, they really tried and they really made it. So kudos to them. And now I'm gonna do my review. I do like trying new products, foundation, concealer, powder, what have you. You guys know me. So for today's, like I said before, I'm gonna be reviewing E.L.F product. So I have 2 items in front of me. I have the E.L.F foundation and I have the E.L.F concealer. What would be a foundation without the concealer? What would be a concealer without the foundation? You get me? So first and first, I am gonna prime my face. Unfortunately, I didn't buy E.L.F primer. I just feel like, do I really need to? Probably I should, but I didn't want to because it's not like something that I want to buy, you know. So I'm gonna be using my Smashbox for the finished primer to prime my beautiful face. Ooh. Yes, my face is beautiful, obviously. Next is our foundation. So this is our foundation we'll be trying today. I love the bottle, very sleek, very small, not small but like short. It looks very posh, icy glass bottle. From afar, if I don't know E.L.F, I would think this foundation cost about £25 or so, but it's actually £7.50. So this foundation is £7.50, and I have the shade Nutmeg. I did try all the shades, and I think Nutmeg is kind of really close to what I like to wear. I think we're just coming out of winter, we approaching spring, so it's a bit kind of sunny and shiny out here, and our skin is beginning to like fade away from the winter season, beginning to shine, and you know what I'm saying. So like this shade is kind of like my summer shade. I don't know, but that's what I did try it on my hands and leave it on my face before I purchased this. So here we go. I love the bottle. Like, to me it reminds me of the NARS sheer foundation bottle, which I don't have, but I've seen it. So yeah, I told myself I'm not gonna do this Instagram thing. Ooh, you know what, see, look, I just make a mess. I don't like to make a mess like this. I'm not sure I got the right shade, because this is super a bit dark, but it will work. Ooh, okay, first things first, I haven't read or watched any review about a foundation or anything like that, so like I really don't know what I'm putting on my face or what I'm trying or what is involved, but I can feel that this foundation is a mattifying foundation, just the way it feels on my face and the way it blends out. It doesn't look full coverage, but obviously you can build it up to full coverage. I love full coverage, so it's like it's a matte thing and I have to build it up kind of situation. Do I really want to? But if I want to be wearing this foundation every day or all the time, so I definitely need to build it up to the kind of coverage I want, you know, to fill up the spots, this hair everywhere. I really don't like the finish, guys. Like, it's too matty for me. I don't know if you can compare this to the Fenty. You know, if the Fenty do have a bit of moisture when you're blending it, it's when you finish doing your application, it becomes matte. But right now, as I'm blending, it's like it's just automatically go dry on my face. And mind you, I am a dry skin person, and I do tend to stay away from too drying or too oily of foundations. I don't know why. It's like I just need a balanced foundation. That's why I love my Too Faced foundation. And what other foundation do I like that I wear the most? Oh, I love my MAC. I love my Cut for Day, but yeah, it's kind of like my foundation I wear on an occasionally basis. Anyway, I think I'm talking too much now, and I don't want to really talk too much, because sometimes when you're doing a video and you're trying to explain, you just get carried away by talking. So I'm going to build this up a bit more to the way I want it, and then we'll continue. I kind of like the finish though. It's like a very velvety matte. It's not fully drying, but when applying it, it feels drying automatically. But looking at it right now, it's not bad, but also it needs more work on, because see that my face is too rough to accept this foundation, or I just need to layer it more to be happy. But this coverage though is not bad. This could be like 2 or 3 pumps of foundation on my face, and I don't feel heavy. Maybe not just yet, but I look pretty good. I think so. So obviously it's different from my chest, but we can work it out anyway. It does have a scent or perfume or whatever it does have on this foundation. It smells like a baby powder. That is what I can get from this scent, but it's not all bad. But I've not really had a perfume foundation for a while, so yeah. So it does have the instructions, not instruction like the menu, the ingredients on the bottle of the foundation, which probably I should read out. So this is Nutmeg, the shade I'm using. This is a deep with peachy undertone. So sometimes I do have a golden yellow, warm, like olive or peachy undertone. Ingredients: this contains water, Demictin cone, glycerin. I don't think I need to mention all of that because I cannot really pronounce them properly. So right on the front, this foundation is cruelty free, which is good. It does have a net of 0.668 fluid ounces. That is like a 20 ml foundation right here. To me, it's not bad because I feel like it does worth the money. This is not a £10 foundation. This is not like £12 foundation. This is a £7. We can remove the 50p if you want to, but this is like a £7.50 foundation, like for 20 ml. This can take you a long time. Probably 2 months, 3 months kind of per se. Guys, now we are approaching the concealer. You all know I love concealer. Come on guys, like I'm concealer, I keep saying concealer freak or whatever, but it's just like I just like when you mix something and it gives it a beautiful color, like, you know, milky chocolate. Yeah, like you mix your chocolate with your milk and it gives you the gradient of a milky chocolate. That's kind of the way I love my concealer. Like, I just like the feels for it. So I think I have more concealer than you have of a foundation. So here is our beautiful concealer from E.L.F. It does have the picture of how the one looks inside. Beautiful. And also the packaging does come with like information about this concealer. Camouflage those pecky sport and under eye circles with this high coverage, crease resistant, 16-hour wear concealer. Direction, obviously it has the direction and ingredient as well. So this is a net 0.203 fluid ounce 6 ml of concealer. Like, this is a 6 ml concealer. To me, this is kind of a lot of concealer. It's big as the Fenty concealer, and that is £19. So this is £5 concealer. So literally from the Fenty concealer, which everybody like, costs £19, and this is £5. So you can have 3 times of this concealer for the worth of a Fenty one concealer. So like, come on, there's nothing more affordable than E.L.F. Like, very affordable. So I did take the shade Deep Olive. I probably should have gone with a shade of deep, is it chestnut or something like that, but because that got probably pink undertone, I really did want to go with that. And I love something with yellow golden undertone, and I felt like this Deep Olive gives me that, but just only to realize that it's probably too golden for me, but I can work it out. Packaging is very beautiful, gorgeous bottle, and I think I'm in love already. So anyway, it said full coverage matte on the packaging of this concealer, and I can't wait to try it on my face. So here we go. Very deep doe foot applicator. I say very deep, I mean very big, deep, very big doe foot applicator. I think I just stained my in it. So first I just apply it. It says it's matte, meaning we probably have to work really fast on this concealer. Yeah, it's too yellow for me. It's too golden for me. I think I might have to give this away because you can't see it clearly, but it's too yellow. So personally, it looks beautiful when you try it on your hand, which I did, but it looks like a mustard color right now on my face. I don't know, but we can work it out. But this is not something I'm going to be wearing every day. Not that. It could be something that you probably make things highlighting more, but not a base of your concealer, so you need to go a bit deeper. But probably this is my mistake anyway. So I'm just gonna blend it out because she said it's soft matte, so meaning this can dry down quickly if you don't blend it out as soon as possible. So I'm using my beauty blender to do justice and make sure everything is blended. So this is the blended out concealer. It does work. It does look a bit different than the earlier applicator. That's because I can see my face is really more golden. Like, no, like what I mean, like the blending out of this concealer with my foundation actually balance it all. It's not really as yellow as it was before, but it's actually really golden, like give me a bit highlighted face and complement my base of my skin, which is beautiful. But again, ooh, it's making me creasing. I don't know, maybe because my face is literally rejecting makeup lately, because I haven't makeup for a while. So I'm just gonna blend one more time and bake my face or set it, and we come back and see what our thought is. So guys, we are finished, and welcome back to the end review of our foundation unting, trying out, whatever this video is. I didn't want to waste more energy into beating my face, like what I'm trying, like putting blush, contour, highlight, you know, eyebrows, and none of that. But this face is set to the beach. Like, this is like an everyday makeup kind of thing. Should I wear it to the salon? I don't know, but I look bushy because I'm going to the salon right after this video. I don't want to do any wet tests, but pretty much to say is the concealer does complement the foundation, meaning it does work and blend out with the foundation. I did bake it or set my face with a different powder, no color powder, which is probably why it's translucent, and I did not have any flashback. That is to tell you, this is a beautiful foundation and concealer. For this video, I will give the foundation how many? The price is really affordable, which I like. The coverage is beautiful, but not full coverage. It's a thick, consistent, but it's not lightweight. It's a thick, consistent foundation. It's a matte, so I will give this foundation an 8 for me. The reason why is because it's affordable. It does work. You can make it work. It's foundation, for crying out loud. So an 8 for me. And the concealer, it does work. I did see a bit of golden yellow on my undertone on my face when I was blending, but right off when I was applying, it looked like a very moldy mustard. So probably maybe I took the wrong concealer, but I would probably give this concealer a 5. It's affordable, £5. It's actually full coverage, but not really to the fullest, meaning you have to build it up. And I don't know about what to call it, a crisp proof, not so sure, but yeah, foundation is an 8 and the concealer is a 5 for me. So that's the end of my review, guys. That is the end of my E.L.F trying out new product. Anyway guys, I just want to draw the curtain right here, and thank you guys for watching my video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your comment below, and subscribe to my channel, because you are needed and you need to be part of this family. And until then guys, I will be seeing you shortly in my next video. Maybe it could be a foundation test out video, who knows, but come back. There's always something I'm cooking up. There's always something I'm trying to do. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. So peace. Zip yo.